parents, this is Mr. Parlin at Martin High School. I'm your child's Algebra 1 teacher. I just wanted to check in, kind of touch base, kind of go over some things in terms of what your son or daughter should be seeing daily in my class and kind of how we're working through assignments and that kind of thing. And just kind of give a chance for you to see it as well. I know some of us teachers do things differently, and that can be a bit of a problem keeping up with everything. So hopefully this is just kind of a quick video to kind of give you an idea of what our class looks like. First of all, what you're looking at is my Canvas page. This is the home page. At the top, there is an announcement. They need to be sure that they're looking at announcements regularly, as I post them, not daily, but pretty often. And then most common, they'll click on this current module tab. They can also find it over here, but I put it on my home page. So they can click on the current module, and my modules are set up by units. We're currently working on unit 3, and we are on currently day 6. And you'll see in day 6, I have a mini test review that I created as an assignment. And then the unit 3 assignment number 5 was the daily assignment for today. And then I've also posted down here the live session from the A-Day for the A-Day students. But when they click on this day 6 tab, it'll take them to the instructions for the day. Here are 2 videos that they can watch or that they're supposed to watch for the lesson for today. And then I have some other information that is important for this day. And then, of course, this next page over is the assignment page in Canvas. This is the Unit 3 mini test review. Now, this is not a required assignment. This is not normal. I just put this up for a review. It will not be taken for a grade, but it will be helpful on the test. The students also know that I'll be posting a video of going over that review myself. But I put it in here as an assignment, but it links them to the Delta Math site. Now, this is the assignment for the daily lesson. This is Unit 3 assignment number 5. Again, it does just link them to the Delta Math. They could go directly there, but I prefer them to use, obviously, the Canvas, and that's how they get their attendance, is being on Canvas. All right, and then this last thing, this is just, I posted a video of the live session for those who were not able to make it for whatever reason, and they can watch that if they need it. Okay, now I want to show you what Delta Math looks like in the student view as well. You can see here that we have the upcoming assignments. Here's assignment 3, assignment 4, assignment 5, and then at the bottom is the review. These are listed in order based on when they're due. Now this is a little tricky. I have decided to put a due date on these assignments as basically the next class period, and then I'll put a late date, which is still worth 99% of the grade, and that's up to really the last day when this unit is over. I will take the students' work. I understand. I just put due dates to make sure that we stay on pace and that we don't get too backed up. But I understand some students can't get to everything. There's technology issues and whatnot. So assignments are available for students to work on and to complete, even if it's past the due date. Okay. Also, starting with this assignment number 4, you can see these are the questions here. And with assignment 4 and moving forward, if they work out a problem, they get 2 attempts. If they get it wrong, the penalty is an additional problem. That simply just means they can work on it until they get it right. And once they get them all right, they have 100% of it completed and they have a grade of 100. Now, that's not required. They can do these in any order. So if there's a couple they just can't seem to get right, and they get the other ones correct, then maybe they'll have an 80% complete and that kind of thing. Okay. So this is what the Delta Math site looks like. If you click on it, this was today. This assignment will be due October 15th, so that they know to keep working on it. All right. And then the last thing listed right here is the mini test review. Okay. All right. So that was just a look. I try to keep grades updated. I'm importing grades directly from Delta Math into the grade book that you can see on the self-serve, and then anything in Canvas gets imported there as well. It's not as easy. I'm not able to import grades from Delta Math into Canvas, okay? But ultimately, the grade book from the school or the team's grade book, the frontline team's grade book, is where the grades are ultimately posted. So stay up to date with that in terms of the grade. At any time, if you need to contact me, please shoot me an email. If you need me to call, leave me a number. I try to stay up. The students have been good about using the email, but I'm getting lots of emails, and I'm trying to stay on top of that as well. Listen, I appreciate y'all's time being here in this or listening to this video. I hope it has been somewhat helpful. All right, y'all take care, and I hope we have a strong finish to this first 3 weeks of the 6 weeks.